How to log in into Denver Sales Tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this How to Log In series, I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into your Denver Sales Tax account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be choosing Safari. Now search for the Denver Sales Tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, here you will see different websites and link on your screen. Scroll down and here you will see the website of coloradotax.gov. Click on it. Wait for some second and you will be directed to this page. Now on this page, at the top right corner, you will see the three dash line. Click on it. Again, here you will see different options on your screen. Click on the plus icon beside the online services. Again, two different options will be appeared. Click on the first one, online services. Wait for a while and again you will be directed to this page. Click on the second option, login. After that, again you will be directed to this page. Here you can see the two different options for the new users and the existing users. Assuming you have already created an account, tap on that login option under the existing users. Finally, you will be again directed to this type of interface. Here now you can finally enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can also tap on that forget your password option. Now fill up your information and click on login option, and that's it. In this simple way you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.